everybody, I am Marius, and for today's video, which is my first video, I want to make some food, but it's like a pudding. So this is how I'm gonna make it. It's a chocolate pudding. And so I'll show you guys. So you need 2 bottles of milk, but we have 250, so we have to use this machine to calculate. And mostly, if you have, you can have 200 milliliters of milk, or 2 bottles of 200 milliliters of milk, or a 400 milliliter of milk. But I'm sure there's another 400. So we start by opening the calculating machine. 0. Full. Now I'll take it off the calculating machine, and then I turn it off. I put it here. Okay, so we have the milk already ready. This bottle is half or quarter. This one's empty, and this is the chocolate. And now, if I think, we need to first pour the whole chocolate inside, and then the milk inside, and then we put middle fire, and then we use this spoon and mix it. So first, I'll just put the chocolate. This is the chocolate powder, it's like a little mountain there. Okay, now I'm gonna put the milk inside, and be careful, don't pour it in. So lift it up right here. And now we have to put the fire on. Come on, je peux bouger. Okay, mid-fire. And then you wait for 3 minutes, so you do a spoonful of mix. And while I mix, I'll tell you guys, so where I got the chocolate powder is from this chocolate jelly box, which it's gonna help you make. Ooh, it's hot. And I got this from this jelly box, but it's as you wish. You can just go get some other jelly boxes. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to put the powder underneath. So we need to crush the powder. And you just instill a little bit of powder. Next, when you need to make it for 3 minutes, and when bubbles come out, we shut the fire. Yes, bubbles starting to come out, and I don't know if 2 minutes passed. There's still some little teeny mites. Yeah, I just don't want to see powder. I think, yeah, that's still like teeny mines of powder. Mine's starting to get bubbles. I'm just putting it a bit higher. So now I think it's time to shut the spoon. I don't know where I should put. I'm gonna go get the tape. I'll drop it onto this paper right here. It doesn't get germs. And now we put it inside the refrigerator. But first what we need to do is put inside these molds. So you've got 4, which I wanted to get 5, it's okay, you have enough. So, we're gonna need a bit of help. I'm not good at putting these stuff in. Or I'm going to use the spoon. I'm going to use the spoon to get the milk, the chocolate into the mold. So right now we mix a bit so it doesn't become into moldy chocolate. We need it to be liquidy. And there's another fast way, is you reverse it. Okay, and there's a little caution warning. If you want to build something like make these puddings, have parent permission. I already tried many times making these puddings, so I already know how to make it. And a second warning is, please do not let kids eat be near it or they can be burned. And last warning is that you don't get any pretend you just don't get like you have like cocoa powder and for making hot chocolate milk. You don't use those ones. You can buy boxes of these like jelly boxes like this one I bought because we didn't know how to make it. And so we bought like boxes. We don't use our own chocolate to make it. So that's why we have this to look our instructions. So this is my video today, and this is how I built my pudding. And now you need to wait for 3 hours and in the refrigerator. If you don't have a refrigerator, put it outside for 4 hours. And so maybe after 3 hours, I'm just going to see it, and if it's all right, I'm gonna show you guys, or we're gonna wait more. Bye bye. So see you in maybe like 2 hours, maybe. It's bye bye. Okay, 3 hours later, now we are going to take it out of the refrigerator and try it out and see the results. Better don't be ice. It's so like jelly. Super yummy, and it's really so yummy. Trust me. And see you in the next video, and bye.